Okay, good morning everyone. So we have another interesting question where we've been asked to find the coordinates of A and B, and then we find the turning point. Now, this particular question usually does not miss, so I expect that you pay attention and then you see how best you find this particular question. So they've given you y is equal to x to the power 2 minus 6x plus 5. Then they say find the coordinates of A and B. So the first thing you just need to do is simply find in your product and your sum. So in this case, our product is 5, positive 5, and our sum is negative 6. Then we find the factors. The factors, of course, are going to be negative 5 and negative 1. Because when you multiply the two, they give you positive 5. When you add the two, they give you negative 6. Then from there, you're going to say y is going to equal to, here where there is, this is going to be x, of course, to the power 2. Then here where there is 6, you're going to replace with that. So you're going to have minus x minus 5x plus 6. Then from there, we factorize. What is common is x, then x minus 1. What is common here, it's going to be negative 5. Sorry. Negative 5, then x minus 1. Okay? And that exactly is going to take you back. So from there, we're going to have y is equal to minus x. Okay, x minus 1. And then the other side is going to be x minus 5. Now your y is equal to 0 here. So you're going to say 0 is going to equal to x minus 1, then x minus 5. Then this is going to be x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then this is going to be x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is going to equal to 1, x is equal to 5. So your coordinates are going to be, you put your 1 in the x-axis, comma 0, and 5, comma 0. So these are going to be the coordinates of A and B. The next question is saying we find the turning point of the curve. So how do you find the turning point of the curve? So turning point of the curve, your turning point is found using the formula minus b over 2a. So let's check. The equation was y is equal to x to the power 2 minus 6x plus 5. So our a is 1, our b is negative 6, our c is positive 5. So because our b is a negative and this is negative 6, we're going to put positive 6 there over 2, then 1. And of course, we are going to get our 3. So 3. So now we found our x value. So now we get this 3, you put it back into your equation. So this is going to be y is equal to 3 to the power 2 minus 6, then 3 here plus 5. So this is going to be 9 minus, this is going to be 18 plus 5. So this is going to be y is equal to 9 minus 18 is minus 9 plus 5. So y is equal to minus 4. So the turning point is going to equal to, you open the bracket. So in the x-axis, you found 3. So this is going to be 3, comma, in the y-axis, you have negative 4. And this is your turning point. And that is exactly how you solve this question. If you found this video interesting and helpful, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and also follow our Facebook page, G.C.E Learning Academy. And of course, if you would want to register for personal lessons, you want easy simplified work, inbox +260 66 40 46. Thank you so much.